Good morning, Allison.
Good morning, Dr. Setson.
You are now 3.5 years since we did major surgery on your nose. We did a revision of your septum. We corrected your significant alar valve collapse where your nose would collapse in on the sides. We did some sinus surgery on your maxillary sinuses. We did turbinate surgery, and we took cartilage from behind your right ear to build up the nasal valve collapse. How are you doing?
I'm doing better than ever. I've been given a new quality of life, and I feel like every day is an improvement, every year is an improvement, and I couldn't be happier with the results.
Fantastic. We're just going to look at this x-ray over here, and here we see on the right side your maxillary sinus is blocked. It has some pus in it and a little bit of ethmoid disease on the right side, and that's what we took care of. So what were your complaints beforehand?
I constantly felt like I couldn't breathe. I was not sleeping very well, which affected my quality of life, and I constantly just felt as if I was struggling to get through the day and the night with breathing, and it was horrible.
And as we can see, you no longer have nasal valve collapse. You're breathing fine. You happy you did this?
I'm very happy I did this. I was very scared at first and nervous to go into it, but I would do it again tomorrow if I knew the results today, that I feel so much better.
Allison, thank you.
No, thank you.